Hello guys, welcome back to Lucky Checker channel. Here's an amazing video showing you how AC plug point is used to run washing machine. Yes, the concept here is from the AC plug point the connection is given to washing machine via extension box. In my grandma's place, one of my uncle used this amazing technique as there was no plug point for the washing machine. And also the AC was not working. He utilized the AC plug point to run this oldest washing machine of 90s. Isn't this so innovative, friends? I am really excited with this technology, and if you feel the same, comment me in the comment section and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more informative videos.